Here's how to replace the bed lights on an F-150.
And hopefully do it before it all rains. And you just need a simple #2 Phillips head screwdriver. 2 Phillips head screws that will need to be removed. Place this bulb, twist this socket. Yeah, I'd say that bulb is burned out. And to identify the part number for the bulb, just check in the owner's manual. If you lost yours, I'll link it down below, a digital copy. It's a 912 for the high mount brake lamp. So you can either get a halogen replacement, another 912, or just go on Amazon. I just typed in 912 LED. And all you need to do is simply pull. Before we put the new one in, I just like to make sure that those metal tabs in there look clean. Otherwise, we won't get a good electrical connection. I'm gonna upgrade LED, less power draw, but a lot more light, and also widely available. I'll link the one that I'm gonna use below. Just put it in the socket. Before stitching it up, I want to verify my work. Got the light on, but it looks like this LED is not illuminated. So these are one way. So sometimes you just need to flip it the opposite way. Flip it, turn it 180, the bulb. Try and do this one-handed. And look at that, it's already shining. So if it doesn't illuminate it right away, just try flipping it. And there you go. And now to install it, just put it into the socket. And then twist. Already a major difference, but let's see what it looks like at night. Well, that LED on the right is a lot better. Let's update the left. And how about that? Now talk about a major difference. I can actually see in the entire bed now at night. LED was a great idea. Thanks for watching.